Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, rocks and minerals. So children, at the end of this chapter you will be able to classify rocks into different types and you will be able to list examples of each type. And you can describe the process by which different types of rocks are formed and difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals, and you'll be able to suggest the ways to conserve natural resources. So let's start our lesson. This lesson is all about rocks and minerals. As you know that Earth's surface is entirely made up of rocks. Okay, that is why it is called a rocky planet. In our 8 planets, the planet Earth is called rocky planet because at the different places on our earth, different mountain ranges, mountain chains, and different types of rocks are present. So that is why it is called rocky planet. Rocks are natural, non-living, solid substances composed of minerals. So rocks are actually, they are segregates of minerals. Segregates means mixture of mineral. So one rock can be a single mineral, or it's the mixture of 2 or more minerals. So just remember, rocks are made up of minerals. There are many different kinds of rocks. They can be divided into 3 groups. So on the earth, rocks are divided into 3 groups. They are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So let's start with igneous rocks. What are igneous rocks? Actually, the rocks which are formed because of the cooling down of magma which erupts from a volcano. So when a volcano erupts lava from it, when it cools down, it forms some types of rocks. So they are called igneous rocks. Deep inside the earth, there are large pockets of the molten rock called magma. The tremendous pressure inside earth causes magma to move upward. So because of the excess heat, these lava comes out. It breaks the surface of the earth, and it comes out. So towards the surface it comes out. Some of it erupts on earth's surface, which is then called lava. When this magma comes out from the surface of the earth, it is called lava. When this magma or lava cools down, it hardens to form igneous rock. Remember children, when lava erupts from the earth's surface, when it cools down, it forms some types of rocks. They are called igneous rocks. Okay. The term igneous is derived from igneous, the Latin word for fire. Actually, the igneous means the burning thing or fire. Okay. Now we will see the types of igneous rocks. There are 2 main types of igneous rocks: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. These 2 are the types of igneous rocks only, but they are 2 types: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. So let's see first intrusive igneous rocks. When magma cools slowly below the earth's surface, it forms intrusive igneous rocks. See children, just now I said when lava comes out from the surface of the earth, when it cools down, it forms rocks. So before coming out from the surface of the earth, when lava cools down inside the earth's surface, so which rocks are formed by cooling down, they are called intrusive. The term intrusive means inside the earth. Okay, remember, intrusive means inside the earth. So which lava cools down, it forms intrusive igneous rocks. This happens over thousands of years as magma cools slowly, very slowly. It forms crystals. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rock. Let's see some details about granite. Granite is extremely hard and durable. Here you can see the rock granite. It is often used in the construction of monuments and buildings. We can commonly see kitchen counters made of granite in our homes. So, feldspar, mica, and quartz are the main minerals found in the granite. So, granite stone, this rock, mostly it is used in construction of monuments, and in our kitchens, which is the cooking slab will be there, that is made up of granite only. Okay. So, which minerals are found in the granite rock? They are feldspar, mica, and quartz. These are the minerals found in granite. Next we will see extrusive igneous rocks. When magma reaches the surface of the earth, usually as volcanic lava, it cools and hardens quickly to form extrusive igneous rocks. Understood the difference? When lava cools down inside the surface of the earth, it is called intrusive igneous rocks. When lava comes out the surface of the earth and cools down, it is called extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, usually as volcanic lava, it cools and hardens quickly from the extrusive igneous rocks. Basalt, pumice, and obsidian are some examples of extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, so children, we are studying all about igneous rocks today, all the details till now, whatever the types and examples we have seen, they are all about igneous rocks. So now we will see examples of extrusive igneous rocks. First example is basalt. Type is basalt. Basalt is the most common rock in Earth's crust. It makes up most of the ocean floor. Basalt is dark gray in color. It is rich in magnesium and iron. It is commonly used in building and construction. So, which minerals are found in this? That also you remember. Which minerals are found in this basalt rock? Magnesium and iron. Okay. Now we will see pumice. This is also the example of extrusive igneous rock. Pumice is a light colored rock formed by quick cooling of lava. It has many holes in it, as you can see by zooming the pic, formed by the gases trapped in lava while it was cooling. It resembles a sponge and is very lightweight. See, this stone resembles to sponge. As you can see in the sponge, many pores will be present which absorbs the water. In the same way, the pumice rock also, it has holes like sponge and it is also lightweight. Okay, it has long been used as an abrasive in cleaning and polishing. Doctors use powdered pumice to polish teeth. Feldspar and zircon are some minerals found in pumice. Okay, next, extrusive igneous rocks example is obsidian. Obsidian is a shiny, so looking beautiful. It's shiny, smooth, black rock formed by cooling of lava. Obsidian can be broken into pieces with very sharp edges. Because of this, people in ancient times used it to make cutting tools. So this obsidian stone, early humans used to make tools by this. By cutting this stone obsidian, they used to make the sharp tools, and it is cut by very sharp edges. Okay, obsidian can be broken into pieces with very sharp edges. So because of this, it was used to make cutting tools. Okay children, so today we have studied about the types of rocks as igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. In this we have studied in detail igneous rocks, two types of igneous rocks, intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. In intrusive rocks we have seen example granite, and extrusive igneous rocks we have seen examples basalt, pumice, and obsidian. In the next video we will study in detail about sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.